Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to sell sports cards on whatnot. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the application itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and sell sports cards on whatnot. So to sell sports cards on whatnot, you first need an approved seller account. So go to the bottom side of the screen where we have, as you can see, home, categories, sell, activity and account. Click on the middle, which is the sell one. Then click continue. Then here, as you can see, we have which category you often want. You have to go and through all of these questions, what best describes you, what you want to sell, etc. And then when you fill out the application, they will need to approve you as a seller. If everything goes good, you can of course now go and sell your sports cards. So you need to, once you did that, you can go and sell it through live auctions or buy the listings. So if you go and sell it with a seller's or with the live stream, it will look like these here that you see, as you can see, live. So people are selling their live, people are bidding, and you can see how much people are in the live. If you want to sell it by that, you need to go and click on the profile here, and when you click on the profile, you get to the shop review and clips of the person, as you can see, where you need to go and click on the shop, as you can see, and there you will see what the person has offering to buy. So what you can shop for, and you can put them like that also, as you can see. So here, and then you can go and click on one and buy whichever you want. And those are your options how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.